Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm going to start this one out here at, where are we? Ehrenberg for the beginning of Skooliepalooza. Tonight is going to be the prom, so I'm going to put my best jacket on and we're going to go and have some fun. Okay guys, well, we've come back over to Quartzsite. We're gonna go over to the RV tent show, which kicks off today. As you can see, it is quite busy. We had to park way down the road, but we found somewhere to park. That's the main thing. Look at the traffic, the line of traffic just to get down here to the RV show. Everyone's trying to get prime parking. I parked way down that road. Wow, look at all the parking for the RV show. It is a very busy day here in Quartzsite. We're just gonna head down to the LTVA and dump off our garbage because my back seat is full of it. And then we'll head back over to Ehrenberg to Skooliepalooza. I'm sweating my butt off. As the days are getting longer, the sun is also getting warmer, and I am not complaining about it one bit. The LTVA is so quiet today. I think everybody and their dog is in town at the RV show. There's nobody. Okay guys, well, we made it back here to Ehrenberg. You can see I got a little flag for my truck this afternoon. The sun's not far from setting, and then the shenanigans shall ensue again. But before that happens, I think I'm gonna jump in the truck and take us for a little tour around. Okay, so you can kind of see my RV over there, and then there's Eric from Nomadic Fanatic behind me. And we're on the other side of the wash here. Trying to give you a quick tour of our little setup over there before we dive into the deep end, where all the schoolies and all the commotion is over there on the other side. So that's where we're heading next. This is where the party was the other night. I can see they've got it all cleaned up. Okay, away we go. Big bump. Okay, last year when I was here at Skooliepalooza, I was parked down here to the left. So let's go check out this area. This is usually the busiest and loudest part. Doesn't seem to be quite as busy this year as it's been in previous years, that's for sure. Lots of vendors set up, I see. Lots of cute little puppies. Bobo, no. Well, I'm not going to slow down.
Well, that was interesting.
Yeah, see, that's why I park on the side. When I always parked here, I parked way at the very end. For that reason. Here's the center for the music camp side. You can hear the music going. Another loose dog. Last year this side was packed solid, and there is not many people down here this year. Wow. Well, I found a few buses, not as many as there was last year. Last year there was tons. This year seems to be not even half as many. I think because of the confusion with the dates and the selling of the copyright name and stuff like that. But there are some down here. Okay, well, we've made it to the back of the area, back where nobody is. Figured I'd bring the dogs back here and let them have a run. Ah, look at my new flag. I love it. We might actually get a good sunset today because there's just enough of cloud. Bo boy. Come here, whoa. Good boy. You're such a good boy. You are such a good boy. Okay, bye. On a side note, do we look Canadian?
America, what's that? That looks bad, is what
We both have sweaters and we've got the flag on the truck.
America, freedom.
Bobo, I don't think that that's BLM sanctioned behavior. You're not supposed to do that to the trees, Bo. I'm telling the ranger on you. Yeah, he doesn't care. Bad boy. Come on, Prash. All right, guys. Back in the truck, and let's go tour around and see what else we see. Oh, I also got a new shirt today. I'll just leave it at that. Good girl, Prash.